Tin, the unsung hero of the industrial world. Imagine a world without tin. It's like trying to bake a cake without flour or build a house without nails. Tin is one of those metals that, while it might not dazzle like gold or seduce like silver, is essential in ways you might not expect. You see, tin is the quiet superhero of the industrial realm, and it's about time we give it a standing ovation. First off, tin has been the Robin to Leeds Batman in soldering for as long as tech geeks can remember. That smartphone you're probably using to read this? It's held together by tin solder. Without tin, your beloved gadgets would be about as useful as a chocolate teapot. Tin's low melting point and its ability to create strong bonds make it indispensable in the electronics industry. But the magic of tin doesn't stop at soldering. It's a protector too, like a trusty knight guarding against rust and corrosion. Tin-plated steel cans preserve our food, ensuring that our beans and soups stay fresh, even in the apocalypse. That's right, tin's got your back in a zombie scenario too. Let's not forget the role tin plays in creating bronze, that ancient alloy which enabled our ancestors to make weapons, tools, and of course, the occasional fancy statue. Without tin, we might still be stuck in the Stone Age, banging rocks together and grumbling about the lack of progress. In the world of energy, tin is stepping into the limelight with innovations in lithium-ion batteries and solar cells. Imagine a tin-powered future where your car runs longer and your solar panels are more efficient. Tin is the unsung hero behind the green energy revolution, working tirelessly to keep the planet spinning. In short, tin is like the duct tape of the metal world. Not flashy, but incredibly versatile and absolutely essential. So the next time you pop open a can of soup, charge your phone, or even admire a bronze sculpture, spare a thought for tin, the industrial underdog that holds our world together.